Hello, my name is Ed Browne and I'm the Design Drafting Manager here at On-Site 3D. In general, I schedule all of the design work, manpower loading, estimating, and quality of execution. I started in the industry a little over 25 years ago. I have a 3-year technologist diploma from Lambton College in Sarnia, Ontario. I started off there working in refineries and petrochemical and moved out to Calgary in early 2001, and I've worked on varied oil and gas facilities, both domestic and international. Well, the drafting team utilizes its experience in VDC as a differentiator from our competitors. We also have a state-of-the-art process team that processes large amounts of data in a record time. On top of that, we have one of the largest fleets of scanners that allows us to capture large amounts of data in a short amount of time. So the biggest benefit is our experience here at On-Site 3D. A lot of companies think you can just get a scanner in a CAD station and you're off to the races, but you need the proven processes put in place to make this a reality. Here at On-Site 3D, we have those, resulting in fewer RFIs and perfect fit-ups on site. As a closing comment, I would like to emphasize that although there are many playing in the reality capture space, On-Site 3D is a leader in this area with proven processes and many error-free executed projects.